Hey everyone! Welcome back to TalkPod, the place where we make English part of your real life, not just something in your notebook. I'm Kylie, your daily dose of English and motivation.
And I'm Sam. Today's topic is a little different. It's not just about learning English, it's about living in English.
Exactly. The title is Stop Translating, Start Living in English. If you ever freeze mid-sentence thinking, how do I say this in English? This episode is for you.
Because when you think in English, you stop feeling stuck. You speak naturally, confidently, and fast.
And the best part? You don't need books or grammar charts for this. You just need daily habits. 7 of them.
7 small changes that turn your day, from the second you wake up to the moment you crash at night, into real English practice.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to train your brain to think in English without translating.
So grab your coffee, put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and let's build your English mindset. Oh, and don't forget to like, follow, and share this podcast with your study buddy.
And comment below, I'm ready to live in English. Here's the deal. The first words in your brain after you wake up basically set your mental language for the whole day.
Most people wake up and think, ugh, I need coffee in their native language. But what if the first thought was, good morning, I feel sleepy, but ready.
Boom! You've already started living in English. That tiny switch wakes up your brain in English mode.
Try this tomorrow morning. Before checking your phone, say 5 short sentences in English. Good morning. I'm awake. I feel tired, but positive. I'll make coffee. Today will be a good day.
Write them on sticky notes beside your bed, or even rename your morning alarm to say, think in English now.
Imagine your phone screaming, "Good morning, legend! Speak English!"
Haha, yes! Keep it light and fun. The goal isn't perfect grammar. It's activating your English brain before the world distracts you.
Exactly. Those first few minutes are powerful. Even if you only speak for 60 seconds, it's progress.
Okay, let's be honest. Your house is full of free English lessons. You just don't see them yet.
Your pillow, your fridge, your toothbrush, they can all teach you English.
Yup, every time you see something, say its name in English. You wake up, say bed, pillow, blanket. You go to the kitchen, say cup, spoon, plate, coffee, fridge.
You can even put labels on things. Door, mirror, laptop. It looks a little crazy at first, but crazy is how you remember.
And you can go next level. Use full sentences. I'm opening the fridge. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast.
This connects English to your real life. You're not memorizing, you're living it.
Exactly. Don't wait for perfect conditions. You already have your classroom. It's called your home.
And it's open 24/7 with no teacher yelling at you.
To make it more fun, describe colors and shapes. The mug is blue. The chair is soft. The floor is clean.
It's like building a world in English, one object at a time.
Okay, this one might sound weird, but it's game-changing.
You mean talking to yourself?
Yup, the ultimate English gym. You carry your voice everywhere, so use it.
Here's how. Narrate your life. I'm making breakfast. I feel hungry. I'll take a shower.
You don't need a partner. You are your partner.
Ask and answer yourself, what am I doing? I'm washing the dishes. What will I do next? I'll call my friend.
You can even add feelings. I feel calm. I feel tired. I feel excited.
Or stand in front of a mirror and say, hi, I'm Sam. I'm learning English. I'm doing great today.
Sounds cheesy, but it works. You're building both confidence and language muscles.
Try this. Tell yourself a mini story every night. I woke up, I had coffee, I worked, I watched a movie. Simple. Done. You've just practiced past tense without pain.
Shadowing tip, say your self-talk out loud. Don't just think it. Your mouth needs to practice too.
Right. Fluency isn't silence, it's sound.
Here's one of my favorite habits. You know how music gets stuck in your head? That's exactly what we want, but with English.
Yes. Turn English into your background music.
Listen while you walk, cook, clean, drive, or scroll. It doesn't have to be hard, just constant.
Podcasts, YouTube, songs, audiobooks. Pick what you actually enjoy. The brain learns faster when it's having fun.
And please, don't panic if you don't understand every word. You're training your ears, not taking an exam.
Think about babies. They listen for months before saying their first words. Be patient with yourself.
Try micro-listening. 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there. It all adds up.
You can even shadow your favorite lines. Pause the podcast, repeat what you hear. It's a beautiful day. You say, it's a beautiful day.
Boom! You just practiced pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence in one shot.
Pro tip, sing along. Even if you sound like a dying dolphin, it's fine. Singing helps you get natural intonation.
Exactly. English isn't just grammar, it's music. Okay, now let's talk about writing. I know you didn't sign up for homework, but wait.
This isn't essay writing. This is life journaling.
Yes, writing connects your brain and your hands. Even 3 sentences a day can level you up.
Start simple. Write a mini journal. I woke up late. I had pancakes. I watched Netflix.
Or make lists. Shopping list, milk, bread, apples. To-do list, finish project, call mom, read book.
My favorite is gratitude lines. I'm thankful for my health. I'm thankful for my coffee. I'm thankful for people who understand sarcasm.
Love that one. Gratitude plus English equals power combo.
If you want to go deeper, pretend you're texting a friend in English. Hey, how was your day? It was great. I watched a movie and relaxed.
Or write fake Instagram captions in English. You don't even have to post them. Just write like you're sharing your day.
Exactly. You're not writing for grades. You're writing for growth.
So here's your daily challenge. Before bed, write 5 lines in English. Doesn't matter what about, just write. You know what's missing in many learners' routines? Real human English.
Facts. People study alone for years and still freeze in real conversations.
So, habit 6, talk to real people. Online, offline, anywhere.
Find English communities, comment on posts, join group chats, talk to tourists, or chat with that one friend who also wants to practice.
Even 2 minutes of English conversation can boost your confidence more than 2 hours of grammar.
You can say to your friend, let's speak English for 5 minutes. Turn it into a challenge.
Or mix English naturally. Hey, coffee today? Instead of your native phrase.
Don't worry about mistakes. People respect effort. Nobody laughs at someone who's trying.
Exactly. You're not studying English anymore. You're using it.
Bonus tip, Send voice messages in English. It's personal and helps your speaking flow.
Also, flirting in English? 10 out of 10 practice.
Confirmed. Just make sure your grammar's hot, too.
Now let's end the day how we started it, in English.
Reflection is the secret sauce. It helps your brain store what you learned.
Before bed, talk to yourself or write down 3 sentences about your day. What did I do today? What did I learn? How do I feel?
For example, I worked hard today. I learned new English words. I feel proud.
That's enough. You don't need a diary with perfect grammar, just real feelings in English.
You can also visualize tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will wake up early. Tomorrow, I will think in English.
Your last thoughts shape your next morning. So end your day in English, and your mind will wake up ready.
So, 7 habits, 7 ways to make English part of your real life.
Start small. You don't need hours, just a few English moments spread through the day.
And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent.
Because fluency isn't built by studying hard once a week, it's built by living in English every day.
Every sticky note, every self-talk, every good morning in English, it all adds up.
So here's your homework, TalkPod fam. Tomorrow, wake up and say your first 5 sentences in English. Just 5.
Tag us on social media and write Day 1 of Living in English.
And if you loved this episode, follow TalkPod, rate us, and share it with a friend who's still translating in their head.
Together, we'll turn learning into living.
All right, fam, go live your English life. See you next episode.